We have a bridge built from there to there. Feel my feet, touch the springs. So you can feel the elasticity inside my body. And I'm touching the elasticity inside your body as well. As you touch my root, I touch yours and I just stretch underneath it. Touch my root, feel your knees inside me, and then I just open up underneath your base. And this just allows you to put a line of tension in my fascia, so you touch my feet, and then you hold your awareness on my feet, I touch your feet, and then just relax and open up energy. So if I do it to you, I touch your feet, and you touch my feet, so we're linked into each other. Now open your joints, and this extends. So that gives you a line inside my body to pick up my base. So we touch each other's root, one of us opens, now you open. So when you, I touch my root, you open, try to open from under me a little bit. There we go. As long as I can feel something in your body, then as soon as I open it, it's going to have an effect on what I can feel. So when you're coming into me to affect me, you touch my root and you feel me touching your root. Now you open, and that creates a reaction through your fascia. So all you got to do is open the joints, tune into this stuff, expand the yi, and the reaction takes place. Now we're creating a perfect condition for that to happen, where as soon as you touch my base, then I've got something to work with, because you're extending your mind to my base, you're extending the feeling, investigating inside, and then you can react. You touch my base, I touch your base, and you open up. Okay? And then you touch my base, I touch your base, and I open. So try and relax under me a bit more. Here we go. Shoulders. What I want you to do is just roll the shoulder under and stretch underneath my base and stretch and open the joint, so it has a scooping under effect. So when I'm touching your base, if you look at the shoulder, I'm levering underneath to give myself more mechanical drive. Even though it's light, I'm still following all the fundamentals of body mechanics. So touch my base. Your base and roll under. So make sure you get right down to my feet, touch my base, your base and